sum and difference of two cubes is very much like sum and difference of two squares. Okay, we've done that before, difference of two squares, and we've also done the perfect squares thing. This is exactly the same thing, only dealing with cubes. So if you've got a plus b, and they're both cubed, that comes out to a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, and if you've got a minus, it's a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so the same rules, you've just got to know where the minuses are in them, basically the same process. Now this gets tricky only when you guys don't clearly see what A and B are, okay? So for example, if we do question 1a, x cubed plus 6 cubed, alright, it's pretty obvious what A and B are, okay? A is x, B is 6. Pretty straightforward, agreed? What about, so let's just write A equals x, B equals 6, okay? What about question 2a, let's start with that one, x cubed minus 125. What's A?
X.
A is x again, yep. What's B?
Cube root of 125.
Which is?
Whatever the cube root of 125.
Which is? 5, yep. Alright, so yes. So let's step it up another notch. If you have a look at question 2d, 27x cubed plus y cubed.
Oh, would that be the 3 root 3?
No, cube root of 27 is 3. So it's just 3x. Alright, so A is 3x, B is y. Okay. Here's a real tricky one for you. Just to give you a bit of fun. X cubed divided by 729 plus 8p cubed. What's A?
P. Am I right?
Sorry, that was B. Yep, so B is 2p. Yep.
Yeah, that's the only one that I got. Screw the first one. It's like
So what's A?
1 and then the square root of 729.
Cube root of 729, which is?
I don't know. I need
Not
to
the
know.
geniuses.
Alright, x over 9. Alright, but it's just a matter of chasing that number. So, and this, I saw you guys doing this when we did this exercise. You would get confused as to what A and what was B. So all you need to do is chase which is A, which is B, and then you substitute into those rules. That's as simple as it gets. Okay, so just make sure you are clear on what is A and what is B before you start trying to substitute it into the rules. Because what I have seen you guys do, okay, so let's take this one for an example. I have seen people go 27x plus y, 27x squared minus 27x times y plus y squared, okay? And that is just plain wrong, okay? And you will end up in the creek because A was 3. So all of these should be 3, okay? So just make sure you know what A and B are before you start trying to substitute. And you can use your calculators and cube root, okay? Or you can use your brain and work out what number multiplies by itself 3 times to get there. Normally they won't give you a difficult one. Even 729, you should know 9 cubed, okay? 9 times 9 is 81, times 9 again is 729. It's not that hard to remember, and you may come across it, okay?